Wagwan wadau na wadaudes, welcome back to the channel. I'm your boy OC, and in today's video I'm taking you to Hell's Gate, Naivasha. So if this is your first time here, don't forget to hit that sub button, like and share. So right now I'm on my way to Dagoretti. We are going to pick a friend, then from Dagoretti we are going straight to Boda Matatu to Hell's Gate. I hope you'll enjoy the video.
We are in the city of Nairobi. During the daytime is Nairobi, at night it's Nairobi.
Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. Never gonna look back.
People are going to church Sunday morning.
When I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same, 'cause that's what it takes.
Alikuwa nadhani nampeleka Runda, nikamleta Riruta. Mahali anakaa affordable na kila kitu iko shwari. Hata shida hao majamaa. Alisema saa 2:30, sasa ni saa 3:30.
Jamaa za Mkenya. God, yaweka God wote analia.
Huyu Chief God Love.
Mimi mlimfanya.
Tulifunga account yake alafu akaanza kulia Instagram. Nikaenda nikacomment nikamuuliza unataka pia hii tufunge ama atatununua. Sisi tutamkula kichwa mpaka aturudishe. Haya, asante David.
Poa, thanks.
Haya, ushinde poa.
Hata pia.
Haya. How are you doing?
Dhanes from Malaysia. I following Oscar. He's very nice person.
Ndio maber kabisa. Hata mimi niko maber kabisa.
The car going, it's attached, but they still sitting like that.
This is a nice driver. Nice.
Some driver won't stop, right?
Most of them won't stop. Dhanesh, let's go.
Let's do this.
We got this. Let me try my bike. So far, so good. You gonna shida? Oh.
That's the best.
Jaluo.
Jaluo.
Makanye?
Jaluo ma Kisumu.
Oh, Ahero. Yeah, sure. Yeah. You want with the GoPro or with your phone? Alright. Give me. Yay, yay! Man, we are cycling and the way it's raining. Naweza rudi hapa kama tumenyeshewa. Ile mbaya. Huh? 2 to 3 hours. Cycling. Yeah. And my power bank.
Left side, you can see, you can spot the Mount Longono.
Mount Longono.
Construction was making. That's the first. And also, you might not see a lot of animals right now.
Okay.
Because they might be hiding there.
Okay.
Due to rains. So first of all, we go up to the Fisher's Tower. After the Fisher's Tower, we go to the Echo Cliff. After Echo Cliff, we go to the what do you call it? Vulture's Cliff. Vulture's Cliff, the Rangers Post. Then after Rangers Post, we go down to the canyon. You can just see the hot springs, see the canyon, and also see where the jump right down the mountain also. Also inspiring.
No lions here?
No, not really when they come in. We normally say they just sneak in and they go away. Yeah, they don't stay here.
The lions?
We have sometimes you can if you are lucky you can meet one on the way.
Lion.
But,
But the
they
people
just
using the bike,
no,
right?
because they don't stay here. Yeah, because they don't stay here. They come from other ranches, like a nearby ranch. We have.
What if you take a bike and
What if we
you
take
get a
the
lion?
lion?
It's very rare. It is very rare.
What? Yeah, I know. What if? What if?
It has never happened. It has never happened. But there's a time we met this guy who found one just down here. Yeah. But after when we found it, we call this guy and they take it out.
And mostly they don't attack because they have
don't
enough.
Yeah, we have a lot of food. Sometimes we find them when they are busy eating like zebra. That time it will kill the zebra.
Impala.
Yeah. So this is Fisher's Tower. We have the store here. Yeah, that's it.
Maybe you can have a photo from here.
Just a little. It's rain.
Kidogo nimekuwa kama Congestina.
Iko sawa. Iko sawa.
Yes, and I want.
I'm a photographer.
I like it.
And me.
So the last eruption of Mount Longono was in 1860. That's the last eruption of Mount Longono. Okay. Yeah. So now from here we go to the next point where you can even shout, you can hear the echo. After that, you
And they used to believe that. And they used to believe that sound is coming from those guys.
Mm.
Can I take video from there?
Yeah.
They will run away if I go.
No, you don't go there.
Don't stand outside.
Just stand here.
Oh, cannot go inside?
No, not allowed. Not allowed.
But you can stand outside of the car and take a video.
Oh.
We go?
So can you go in front of it so I can take nearly I can take a video.
So I move.
Okay.
This say you can come out and stand here.
Yeah.
Male. The male Impala, it has a big horn. This is the male.
Okay.
This is the grown up, the adult.
Okay.
But we have the young one there, young boys, with the small horns. So, do you know why they are boys to men? Do you know why?
I don't know.
Because there's somewhere where you find there's one male and
A lot of
20 females.
Why?
Because to hunt that territory, you have to fight. So these guys, if they are being forced, they go away. They stay in the boys.
So we don't have the capacity.
Winner.
Is a way. So these they have to stay alone.
If they join them, what will happen?
They
will
can't.
fight.
They can't
No,
be together.
they can't go where there is the other guy because he's a winner. He's a big boss. Oh, fight. Oh,
Who wants the ladies?
Who wants the girls? You see, it's the biggest antelope. Over there you're asking about giraffe. I can see the giraffe near the plants, the trees.
Okay. Ah.
But you can concentrate on the rock.
Okay. Ah.
But you can concentrate on the rock.
Now, welcome to the trails gate. You want to resist? Oh my God. This is Africa.
Like this. Something like this.
Okay, take one.